latest sticker for the sticker board, Nobby's workshop. Head over and take a look. Nobby does some great stuff on his site. And also the sticker arrived with a very nice handmade card by Mrs. Nobby, which was very nice. So yeah, head over to Nobby's channel and have a look. Alright, time to introduce another Hemingway kit. Don't get excited, it's not another Steam model. Right, that looks like the little instruction booklet. Oh, that's the plans. And in a nice little folder. Well, I asked for them in metric, but they're in imperial, so never mind. We can manage that. So let's have a little look, see what we've got stock wise. I'm guessing these are all of the little bushings and little thrust washers and things, and surprisingly enough they've even put a ball in for the end, but of course we'll change that once it's finished. Just go through the rest of the stock, see what we've got. I suppose I ought to show you what it is really. There it is. I'm not going to show you the plans at this stage. It's a ball turner for the tool post. Tool post goes on there obviously, and it has a cutter in this piece here, and also an internal cutter here. That's the external cutter, that's the internal cutter. So that's the little side project I've got. The reason for it will become clear shortly. Right. Not quite sure what that's for. Probably the slide. Yeah, it looks like that's probably for the slide. That's got to have a dovetail put on it. Right, back in there. See what we got here. This is going to be for the main body, and then there'll be a piece attaches to it that goes onto the tool post. But I might not use that. I might try and see if I've got a bigger piece of metal and do it all in one. This piece here, I'm guessing, is what that's for, and then it has this piece which is screwed on. It'll probably be better if it was done all in one, so we'll have a look at that once we get to it. I mean, that even if I don't use that bit of metal, it's going to be a useful piece of metal for something or other at some point. Right, see what we got here. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the bit that goes on the tool post. Not quite sure what these bits would be for. I think what happens in the plans, from what I've seen, I think you make the outside dovetail separate and then bolt them to the block, but I won't be doing that either. I'll be making the block all in one, so they might not get used either, but that doesn't matter. What we got here? Some little bits of looks like a bit of stainless. I'm guessing that goes through the main body as the turning piece, and then you've got that. Not sure what that would be. Might even just be a little bit of tool steel and a bit of brass to probably make some bushings, I would think, of some sort. So yep, that's what we got there. I mean, when I come to starting it and I do the video to start it, I'll have all of these out again so that we can go through them and officially identify them for their main component. That could be the back of the turning attachment. I don't really know what they're for. They'll be for something, obviously. So let's put them away. You know, it's one of those projects, I think, where there's not many bits, but I think it's going to be quite in depth. And there's another bit of steel for the front. Oh no, this I think is for making the cutter blocks, but we'll identify all of that later on. And as I said previously, there'll be the washers and bearings. So there's not much to it, but I've got a feeling it's going to be a little bit more in depth than it looks at the moment. So anyway, let's put something on this and get that flattened out. We can't work with it like that. But that's my little side project, and here's the reason why. Right, the reason for the ball turner is I've got to turn these little balls for the governor on the Ransom and May. Well, I could just make up a little form tool and turn them that way, but oh, where's the fun in that? So anyway, I think I left you last time on this governor casing. It's also the pump drive. And that's part of the reason for buying the ball turning kit, but also it's a nice little project. I could have quite easily made up a little form tool and turned these down very quickly, but where's the fun in that? So anyway, that's the purpose of that, and time to welcome back a little friend. As you can see, we've got a little bit of movement there now. Nothing's fixed down, you know, everything's still loose. But just going through it, make sure I've made all of the parts that I need and that everything runs as it should do. There's still a little cap to go on there to trap the stuffing in, but there's, you know, there's still quite a bit to do on this little model, and I am chipping away at it, and I will occasionally put a video out, and you know, one day we'll probably see it running. So anyway, that's just about sums the video up. It's only a quick one, and as usual, normal video will be out on Friday. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you Friday.